Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm super excited to announce a new batch that we are running in Krish Naik Academy that is related to LLMOPS industry ready projects. Now this was one of the most requested course and we thought why not do this. Nowadays, my predictions are really going on in an amazing way. Whatever things I'm actually predicting, it is becoming right. And let's say that you really want to work as a generative AI engineer now in specific companies, definitely do a lot of end-to-end projects considering LLM ops in it, wherein you just not only focus on developing application, but think about how you can actually take it into production. So this particular course is all about that. And the name that we have given is LLMOPS Industry Ready Project. Here we are going to probably focus on various tools that are related to LLMOPS. And we'll also show you that how you can probably go ahead and take up any generative AI use cases, develop it, and probably deploy it into the production, right? So if you probably go to this particular URL over here, this particular course price is somewhere around 6,500 rupees INR. And this is including GST, right? GST is 18%. So it is including this. The course overview, it will be for 4 to 5 months. We'll try to complete this particular course in 4 to 5 months. And the start date is July 12th, 2025. The classes will be at Saturday and Sundays. And, the sessions will be between 2 to 5 p.m. And we'll have 1 hour additional doubt clearing sessions also. Okay. Here, what all things we are going to focus on, what all things we are basically going to do, what kind of projects we are going to do, that all things I will be discussing in this particular video. Okay. So here you'll be able to see that from basics to mastery, understand the LLMOps pipeline from the foundational NLP to cutting edge generative AI. We will be working on various projects, RAG pipeline, fine tune open source LLMs, integrate vector database and build LangChain based agent workflows. When I talk about most of the companies nowadays, they are working on RAG based projects, which are focusing on complete end to end project. They're focusing on how they can integrate with some kind of vector databases, how they can do the fine tune of open source LLMs and various stuffs, right? And obviously developing agentic workflows, developing AI agents. So this entire course is all about developing projects in this specific sector. Okay. So if some of the things that you're going to learn over here are like with respect to RAG, agents and tools use, fine tuning, multimodal Gen AI, and how you can probably do the production and scaling. The kind of the kind of projects that you're probably going to build has also been listed down over here. So if you see detailing with respect to each and every project here, you'll be able to see this. First of all, we'll go ahead with the project setup for AI development. So this is just a basic setup from making sure that you go ahead and write some industry real world use cases kind of code. I will also show you one example of the project that we have already coded. Okay. Then we'll be having something like document analysis, chat and comparison portal with advanced RAG. You'll also have e-commerce product assistant with real-time data enabled by MCP. So we are also including MCP, right? It's about generative AI, it's about agentic AI, it's about LLMs, it's about MCP. So we are integrating this completely as an end-to-end project itself. Okay. So all these things will basically be covered up. The mentors will be myself, Sunny Savita and Mayank. And we'll also try to see that we can bring Paul over here also because he has some good amount of experience with respect to cloud also. Okay. And if you want to probably go ahead and see more detail about this, just go ahead and click on enroll now. So let's say I go ahead and click on enroll now over here. So with respect to this, you'll be able to see over here is that and if you just go ahead and see what all things you have in your dashboard access will be with 1.5 years community chat forum for discussion, live doubt clearing session, hackathons with rewards, and you can probably go ahead and contact this number. And these are like counseling team number if you have any kind of questions with respect to following this and all. There are some very important prerequisites that everybody should know. They need to have a very good coding knowledge of Python, basics of NLP, deep learning, some amount of knowledge with respect to MLOps, how to probably go ahead and write modular coding, everything will be there, right? Not only that, here you'll be also able to see that there is a detailed syllabus. So if I just go ahead and open this, so you should also be able to download the syllabus that we are going to cover up. Okay. So there are many projects that we are going to do, like let's say this is module 1. When you go to module 2, there is document analysis, chat comparison. Then here you have one more use cases, which is like e-commerce product assistant with real-time data enabled by MCP. Then here you have multi-agent system for research analysis and generation automation. So this will be completely end-to-end. Not only this, we're also going to use AWS SageMaker serverless LLM application with fine tuning and all will be there. And then here you have network intrusion detection using machine learning. So this kind of projects we are basically going to do. LLM powered semantic image search systems. So this is also what we are basically going to do. And here, let's say any project that we do, you'll be seeing that there will be various parts, various parts, and each and every part we will be probably focusing on implementing and developing. So definitely you can go ahead and download this entire syllabus. Okay, as said, what you really need to basically do is that just make sure to go to this particular syllabus, right? Let's say I'll go to krishnaik.in. And here, one more very important news, guys. We are going to complete 1 year anniversary of Krishna Academy on 8th June. And it's an amazing moment. We really, really did exceptionally well. We tried to teach in a much more better way. We reached 183 countries, So for all these things, for all our live courses, we are giving 30% off. Just go ahead and use this particular coupon code. Okay, so let's say that you go ahead and copy this coupon and you apply it over here, right? Let's say you go ahead and apply it over here. You should be able to get 30% straight off. Okay, this is just to celebrate this amazing anniversary that we are having, and this offer is only till 8th. Okay, so go to the live classes. In the live classes, just go ahead and select this with respect to LLMOPS, and here you'll be able to see all the information. Once you click on enroll now, you'll be going to the payment page, and here you just go ahead and apply the coupon, and you should be able to get the 30% off. Again, there is a very important reason why we are coming up with this specific batch, because I believe in companies, they are looking for this kind of use cases to be implemented and developed. And that is the reason why I have actually come up with this. I always do a thorough research on what all things needs to be taught to the entire people out there, right? This is from the knowledge that I'm getting from the company, from the knowledge that we are having a discussion with many, many people, right? So yes, this was it from my side. Go ahead and apply or use the coupon 30% off. All the coupon will be available on the top of this, right? You can just go ahead and start exploring any of the courses that you have. Other courses that you will be able to see is also over here, like agentic AI, data science, any kind of batches that you really want to go. Okay, and usually we come up like in a couple of months, we come up with only one batch. So this will be a very good dedicated batch for industry grade projects on LLMOPS. So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. All the information regarding this will be given in the description of this particular video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.